We focus on production and quality, constantly innovating to deliver better products every day. Providing packaging, trash bags, plastic bags, gloves, and nail care supplies. The optimal solution for consumers and businesses. Eco-friendly products. Safe, durable, convenient. Modern factories with strict quality control processes. Consistent quality in every product. Flexible transportation network for both domestic and international markets. Connecting, expanding and serving the global market. Cleaner, healthier, better. TP Plastic, the quality you can trust.